Hello, refiners! I'm on the road. I'm delivering the Positive Mental Health Workbook. Somebody has asked for it. Super pleased to have found it, get it prepared, and I'm looking forward to my delivery as well. Just to let you know, this has been sponsored by Tammy Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization. It's of course by Tammy Services Corporation. That's why I got tripped up. So many things. Also, they've also ordered a color reflection exercise book. So they're going to well, I don't know what they're going to do. They can use the reflection exercise book whenever they want. Like I've explained to you before. Okay, I guess I could take it out of the binding and rebound it. Basically, it's going to be the exercises where you can make some coloring pages. There are coloring pages, and you can color. You can write words of affirmation to yourself, whatever that you're feeling with. These are the Empower series, so these are all about like you and how you feel. It's not about the colors. It's really about making a connection with your mind, your thoughts, your activities. And as you can see, they also ordered a pouch, so I guess they'll also be on the move. And the pouch is all about Empower, Innovate movement, and it's got the pencil crayons in here. So the colors are, they also have meaning as well. So I'm super excited to have sponsored. So they've had to make the purchase for the coloring pouches and the coloring workbook, but they're available. So for you and your teens, for you and your family, if you guys want to get together and to do it, that would be fabulous. We're going to be on week 2, and week 2 we have like some exciting things. Last week we spoke about ownership and accountability, and as you can see, it's a full book, so it's got all of this stuff. And this week it's going to be, I know it's about, let's see, it's going to be Watchful Eyes. So stay tuned, because Watchful Eyes is going to have some in-depth discussions where we're going to discover what it means to be us and what it means. So Watchful Eyes, I'll read out some of the questions. So Watchful Eyes is, who's keeping watch on me? Who is, right? How do I let others speak truth into my life? Because it's really about connecting, and hopefully we'll have enough ladies to join us that we can pair up with empowerment accountability partners, because this is the whole thing about the Watchful Eyes. We're not doing things in isolation. We're doing things where we can be accountable to ourselves and to others. So I'm super looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to you guys joining me. And let me put this back. I had it all. You know how it goes. You take something out and it's like, oh. So anyways, they're going to have this. It's going to be exciting. And I need you and you need me. So stay tuned. So many things in store. Bye. Okay, good. Oh, Flame is doing this. Don't worry, we're not going to show anything. Here you go. Thank you. Hi, Mark. Okay, so I put it in the thing that makes it look cute. Okay, but here's really what I'm doing. So here's the workshop book. So we're on week 2. So this week we're going to be talking about these questions. And yeah, so these are the pages. Week 1, you go back at? Go back to where? Yeah. Okay. Oh, hi, Flame.